Frustrated that you can't find where to change your profile picture in Otter.ai? This step-by-step guide gets it changed in under 2 minutes. First, make sure you're on the Otter.ai homepage. Then, we'll click through your profile menu and account settings to upload your new photo. Open the Otter.ai homepage. Click your profile in the top left corner. Click Account Settings. Click the General tab at the top. Click Edit next to your profile picture. Click the gallery icon and choose an image. Click Use Photo to set your new profile picture. Now that everything's set, go ahead and click the Confirm button to finalize your selection, and then you'll be all set for the final click. Finally, click Finish. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.